Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to enable pop-ups on Google Chrome. So you have to just open the Google Chrome on the Android device or iOS. So you have to open your Chrome browser and you have to the top right corner of the three dots of setting and scroll down to click to settings, and you have to scroll down more and there is site settings. So you click to the site settings and you have to scroll down to find pop-ups. So there is pop-ups and redirect, so you have to click it and you have to turn on pop-ups and redirect on the Google Chrome. So it's very simple and easy steps. You can see this video again and again to follow these steps. So it's very easy. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.